All right, mathematicians, we're going to work on our sevens today. Let's start with our multiplication chart. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49, 56, 63, 70 and 77, 84, no more. If you're musical, you'll have an opportunity to practice that later on in our slide deck. All right, so grab your multiplication pad. Turn until you get to page 6, which is the sevens. All right, let's take a closer look at facts that we have worked on to this point. So we're going to lightly color in the following rows and columns. Because of the commutative property, all products will be the same when the factors are reversed. So 7 times 1 is the same as 1 times 7, 7. All right, so we get to color in the ones because of the identity property. We know that any factor times 1 is that factor. So we can color in the ones, lightly color. Rows and columns. Check. 2s, 5s, and 10s because you can easily skip count. Yep, you've been skip counting since at least first grade. So 2s, rows and column. 5s. Rows and columns. 4s because you simply double a double. So if you know your 2's facts and you know your 4's because you just double it. Like 2 times 2 is 4. So double that. 4 plus 4 is 8, which means 2 times 4 is 8. Yep. All right, so 4s. All right. 8s because you simply double the 4's. So we did 2 times 2 is 4, double that is 8 because 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 8 is 16, so 2 times 8 is 16. All right. We can color in our 3s because we know that they are doubles plus one more group. So like 2 times 2 is 4, plus another 2 gives me 6, so 2 times 3 is 6. Or I could do 2 times 3, or 3 times 2, still get 6. So we'll color in our 3s. Both across and up and down. We know our 6s because you simply double a 3. Or you can do times 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, and then add one more group. So let's color our 6s that we already know. Across and up and down. And we can cross off our 9s. Oops, I forgot to do the 10s. Need to make sure I'm being a good reader. And then we can cross off our 9s because they are the 10s minus one group. So 9's going up and down. Here's up and down, and then 9's going across. What do you notice? I notice we only have one fact that we need to learn for the 7s, and that fact is 7 times 7. The rest of them we have a strategy for. Can you believe it? All right, so you'll do the same type of activity now that you have to learn, now that you only have that 7 times, to learn that 7 times 7 is 49. We'll just keep our fact practice fresh. Count by 7s. I just included this number grid If the song doesn't work for you that you're going to learn, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49, 56, 63, 70 and 77, 84, no more. You could use this chart to count by sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then record it up there. Same type of activities, your 4 different ways to find products, playing circles and stars. And because you only have to work on 7 times 7, I did riddles this time. So we'll think and talk about math facts with this riddles challenge. I am a multiple of 7. I am greater than 20, but less than 40. One of my digits is a 5. What am I? So I have some riddles for you. I came up with 4, and I'm asking you to come up with a 5th. Then you'll play multiplication Tetris like you've done each time. And then I have another game for you called Eliminate 10. So here are your quotients 1 through 10. And then here's a spinner. You'll need your pencil and your paper clip that you've been using for the other spinner. You'll spin the spinner to the right, this one. Spin it, divide by 7, and then you're going to color in your quotient, which is the result of dividing. Game is over when all of the quotients 1 through 10 have been colored. Lastly, you have your 7's exit ticket. Set that stopwatch just to see how long it takes you to solve these multiplication and division facts. Good luck.